Today's Today's project, super simple project, is Did I just jinx myself? Should I have said super? No, man. Anyways, I gotta clean up these shelves over here on this side. I'm gonna build a new shelf to put all of this wood on. For all these nice scraps that I keep. They're not scraps. Mick, if you're watching this, previous homeowner, you were the king of shelves. If there needed to be a shelf somewhere, custom shelf, you need to weld your bracket, you put a shelf there. This is my shelf. I kept it simple. 15 bucks. The shelf is 8 feet long. I'm gonna build 4 brackets that are gonna go underneath, and then I'm gonna attach them to the wall. And I actually had a conversation with a couple new friends at the home show, and we chatted about attaching to concrete blocks. Not keeping this piece. There has to be some sort of size that I don't keep. I don't need that. That's firewood. Or else I just end up keeping everything. I already keep almost everything. I'm gonna start attaching the brackets to the wall now. It's a concrete block wall. Parts of the block are hollow. So you want to make sure when you put your screw in that you're hitting a part that has a lot of concrete. So you want to pre-drill. I'm going to use tap cons. Don't go in the grout lines. Don't go in here. Okay? Stay away from the centers because there's holes in those parts. We're going to try to keep everything close to the edges but not in the grout line. Perfect. Let's do it. Shout out to Mark and Jordan from the home show, and Desta. Nice meeting you guys. Thanks for having this discussion with me. No, I'm not gonna do it. What? No, I'm not gonna do it. I was thinking about it. That's a shelf. The hard part now is determining which pieces are shelf worthy. I want to show you guys what you don't want to happen. Okay, this is what you don't want drilling into the center of a block. See, there's nowhere for the screw to grab onto now because we're through the block, we're into the hollow spot. If you're hanging something light, like a feather, you're fine. But if you're hanging anything heavy that's gonna need to hold a lot of weight, you wanna get that thing right through and keep it in the concrete the whole time.